Good evening, friends. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Um, we closed last week at an interesting stage, both in terms of where we are on the mentorship program, Catalyst trading in terms of doing live trading and the week, and Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, interestingly, is poised at a very interesting stage. So, friends, let's get into the daily analysis video and try and make sense of where market can take us in the next week. So friends, VIX, right, surprisingly, despite the fall, stayed flat. If you see, the VIX has been falling, the market has been falling, right? Now VIX is trading near, so it gave a breakout on 17th, then actually came back. See, I don't consider the morning candles, right? Now tomorrow VIX can actually take a support and go up, right? Tomorrow it is going to be a very tricky session if you are looking at Fin Nifty. Be very cautious, right? Tomorrow I would prefer to start slow and start with small quantity, make profits and then only risk profit, and just observe the market for most part of the day. Now why am I saying it? दोस्तों, कोटक एंड आईसीआईसीआई दोनों के रिजल्ट थे. आईसीआईसीआई रिजल्ट was average, कोटक रिजल्ट was good, in fact very good, right? ICICI result I won't say was outstanding, right? Now, if I compare ICICI and Kotak, right, and also look at the daily chart, is these stocks have rallied. Look at ICICI from the bottom here, right? This is the one of the stock which is actually propelled to take Bank Nifty to new all-time highs. कल अगर ये टूटता है below 988, this can actually drag it, right? So let's get into the Bank Nifty chart first and then we can talk about it. So Bank Nifty में पहले weekly chart देखते हैं. वीकली चार्ट एक्चुअली बुलिश है, वीकली में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वीकली चार्ट बुलिश है. अब अगर आप वीकली चार्ट देखेंगे, इफ वी सी द वीकली चार्ट, I have no issues in Bank Nifty till this level is defended, 46,738. I would say do not short with big quantity till 46,738 in markets are defended, right? Having said that, so sorry, wait, exact level is 45 6, okay, sorry, 45 686, right? This is a level that it can defend. If you look at the daily chart, ideally daily and weekly are talking to different language. After giving, so see, this one was a big selling candle, inside candle, then a big bullish marubozu, followed by a sweep candle, right? Now below 45,944 it can fall 300 points, which also means tomorrow if it opens gap up, it can again take a fall. Now let's look at the levels for the trading, right? Ideally I would not want to initiate any trading in the first 15 minutes, and I will give you the reason why. The results have come, the results will be digested by the market participants. Let them digest, right? There is a trend line here, there is a trend line on the top. In all probabilities, if market opens gap up near 46,234 and 46,350, a gap up of 100 to 120 points from yesterday's closing, I would like to short the market. My target 1 will be 45,940, target 2 will be 45,762, and target 3 could be all the way to 45,686, right? Flat opening here, I would like to watch if HDFC is joining the party along with ICICI, and how much is Kotak reacting to the news, right? Typically Kotak and HDFC go hand in hand, ICICI Axis go. So if ICICI results are average. Now it depends on how the market participants are seeing it. Many times I've seen bad results also lead to a rally in a stock, right? So I would want to observe how the ICICI is reacting, how Kotak participants are reacting. Now typically a flat opening and HDFC going down would mean this can straight away come from 46,030. So I would like to short it below 46,030 for the targets of 45,810 and 45,680, right? A gap down opening which looks improbable given the results around 45,688. If you form a bullish candle, I would like to wait and watch. But tomorrow, given the news, first 15 to 20 minutes, wait and watch and observe. Component wise, if you see, right, so spot chart is clearly saying there is something in the market because there is an event which has happened over the weekend. Let the market participants digest it. So ICICI below 988 is short. HDFC definitely gave a fall after merger. I am expecting some bit of profit booking to continue here. Below 1670 can come and correct by 15 to 20 points. This is neutral to bearish. Kotak has a negative candle. It has traded inside the range. Above 1978 can go to 1990. Short only below 1957 for the targets of 1940, but it is neutral to bullish, right? Kotak is neutral to bullish. Axis in a narrow range traded. It is currently trading in a narrow range. If you see, for this entire month, it has gone nowhere. It has been trading in a narrow range, right? Entire month, in fact more than a month, right? But below 967 this can correct by 6 to 8 points, right? It's in a narrow range, do not bother. I don't think it is neutral to bearish. SBI again, after giving a breakout, has been in a range. There is result pending for SBI. Probably SBI will take a halt between 610 to 613 and then resume its rally, considering the result season in mind, right? And pull PSUs. That time the private sector banks will be taking a break, right? IndusInd again in a range. It's actually neutral. Below 1400 can come and test 1390. Above 1420 can 1418 can test 1430, right? So more or less components are saying that there is some weakness which can come if Kotak and Axis actually join hands with ICICI, can actually fall, right? Now coming to options. The option chart, I have taken 46,000 put, should not open below 220, right? Between 220 and 240 it should consolidate, take out. I will trade it for targets of 291 and 324, right? Above that we will have to wait and watch and observe. The targets on put look decent. Call side, I want an opening above 305, consolidation between 305 343 to take trades for the target of 377 and 420, right? Now if it goes in a single candle, I am not interested, right? Tomorrow people will also start preparing for Nifty monthly expiry. Tuesday is the monthly expiry for Nifty. Nifty chart structure is same. I don't want to be analyzing components. Very simply put, below 2480 take a trade for the targets of 20,151. You can hold it as a swing. Your first target will be 2258, second target will be 2151. Long only if you get a 15-minute closing about 2590, then take the targets for of 20,640, 20,680. Just hold 10 to 15% quantity, right? We will come to Nifty 50 and components of Nifty 50. Nifty had more weakness because of the infi results, right? Now if you see, it's candle wise, right? So many technical analysts would say this is a evening star. Looks like it, not exactly evening star. So evening star, these candles, right, at the edge should be big and you should have a doji like candle here. This one, this is more like Marubozu and these are doji candles, right? But now, yeah, we can technically we can say it's more like evening star. It is not evening star, but below this level of 19,680 it can correct all the way till 19,500. Between 19,500 and 380, if it takes support, it can go back up. Otherwise there is no support. You look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is actually not good in Nifty. The weekly chart is not good in Nifty, guys. It is not looking good in Nifty. It's a long wick, not a shooting star technically because the body is big, but somewhere below this level 19,680 it will start correcting, guys. And on a weekly chart, if you see, the levels of correction are bringing it down to 18,880, right? It can come all the way here. Let's look at the 15-minute chart for intraday levels. Intraday, very simple, below 19,680 short, above 19,800, right? 840, you can long for the targets of 19,886 and 19,930. Component wise, Nifty IT showed some bearishness, big bearishness rather, because of Infi. Tomorrow we'll have to see. ADRs are still showing negativity, but there was profit booking in FMCG, Bank Nifty, everywhere. I am not expecting big movement here, right? Tomorrow, Nifty could actually, if you get a short trade, Nifty looks better from a shorting perspective. Reliance finally showed some impact here, demerger. Um, Again, if it goes towards 2576, I would like to short it for the targets of 2524. Reliance again clearly looks a candidate for short. Infi, if you see, um, again, wait, it has taken out the trend line. 1350 taken out, then it can go all the way to 1380. Below 1321, it can again fall to 1280 levels, right? This is also short. HDFC Bank we have already seen. So friends, for now, I don't want to be looking at stocks. We don't suggest selling. I look at buying in stocks and cash position. So there is none right now. So that's it from me. I hope everyone stay safe tomorrow. Do not trade unnecessarily. Reduce your quantity. Lot size is getting adjusted in Bank Nifty 15. I think at some point of time we'll move to Wednesday expiry too. So friends, that's it from me. I hope everyone does not skip and watch the session. Subscribe to our channel on Telegram and YouTube, right? And share it with your friends and family members. Thank you, friends.